Yo guys, what's up? Good morning guys, it's me again, back on another day. Posted a video today, 27th. I posted a video. Now this depends like in which country you are in. I use like the US time, like the New York opening market, New York opening time for my trades. So it's still like the same day in New York, just later in the evening. So if you watched my video about my bias, you already know like where I'm going with this video. So my bias was like when I was explaining on the video, I was like, today, like the previous week, we saw the market closing above these highs, creating a shift in market structure. Creating a shift in market structure. And I also mentioned these relative equal highs and this buy side liquidity. If the market like manages to stay above this delineated blue line, and this was on the Euro US dollar. Same applies with the GBP USD. Yeah, so I outlined what I was looking at. I outlined the bias. The video was already long, so I didn't really bother to do the same on the GBPUSD. I just said translate or transfer what I said to the GBPUSD month. But let me just do it. It's a quickie. There's nothing special. Time to shift in market structure. Let me see. These are the relative equal highs for these are relative equal highs. Yeah, so this is more like it. And this is more like it. So going back to the Euro USD chart, let me just outline like what happened and just show you the trade I was able to find from that. I didn't take the trade, but I sent the signal to my group, my telegram group. So if you stay with me to the end of this video, I will show you the message I sent to my telegram group. But right now, let's just go through what was in the charts today. What was I seeing? So this was it. This order block I mentioned in my previous video on the 27th. Today is on the 28th in the morning. I mentioned like on the previous video on the 27th of January that this was an order block, and into Monday I explained. Let me do this. So into Monday I explained if I'm going to hold on the bias that the charts are going to go, or the bullish bias, then I would like to see Monday trade to this high of the gap and not violate this order block. This is what you see here. This order block and this high, it didn't really quite well trade to it, but stopped a little bit. It was almost there. Traded into the London session. I traded into the Asian session, and you see how the market, these candles are respecting the order block and the shifted market structure. So what I was looking at, since I was already looking for this drop of the market, I was looking for this market to drop to this high, or maybe just miss and retrace, creating a shifting market structure, and it did. So you see the market dropped to this high. In the process, it took out the liquidity on this swing low. These were buys, this was stops. So what was I seeing? I saw this on a 15-minute chart. I saw the market taking the buy stops. This is Monday's open, by the way. No, Sunday's open. So I saw the market going for the buy side, for the sell side liquidity. So the market went for the sell side liquidity like this. It also failed to go high. After dropping on a Sunday, like Sunday open, it dropped, creating like a new week opening gap. For me, I just labeled it as a following imbalance, but it's a new week opening gap. So what the market did is drop from there, and it kept drawing, making these swing lows, swing lows, swing lows, and then took out this liquidity. This was the New York session liquidity from the Friday's trade. The market what it did, it took out this liquidity, failed to go high, retrace again, took out the liquidity again, failed to go high. So what I saw this as like the market makers generating liquidity. We would want to see, the retail traders would think like the market is dropping, they put their trend line, the market is dropping, they still expect it to drop. But as smart money traders, we know better. We know this is a retrace pattern, 1, 2, 3. So when I saw what the market was doing, like this was already, the demand is open, I came into the chairs around 2, the London session open. Let me put this line in such a way that it doesn't affect. So this is what I was seeing. Unfortunately, guys, my trading view was not paid, so I don't have market replay. So you're just going to have to deal with it. So this is what I was seeing. The market failed, and then it took out this low again, and then on the 2 a.m. London open, it took out another low. So this was another hand for sell stops. I saw this as another hand for sell stops, the final hand before what I was expecting, and already the market had already moved to Friday's high. I was expecting it to. So I saw it as a hand for sell stops, and then this shift in market structure retraced, kept on moving. So the entry was on a 5-minute time frame where the fair value gap was. Yeah, so that was it. My target was just to cover 24 pips, 1:2 minimum, and maybe to this high, and to the low. So this is just like low threshold target. So let me show you like what I sent on my channel. Yeah, it's just growing, guys. Don't mind about don't worry about the subscribers and stuff. So yeah, this is the video I posted. Now this is the video I posted for the buyers, for the weekly buyers, and then this was the trade. So this was the trade, and I mentioned I came to the charts late, like price moving to the new week opening gap. I was away from the market, cooking, but the GBPUSD is yet to do the same move. So I posted the GBPUSD. It was a little bit lagging, but I was expecting it to to do the same move the EURUSD did. So yeah, this is the trade I posted on my channel. This was the US 500 trade, the forex trade. So this is my channel. I post like how to trade news. I post all my videos. Just in case if you want to join, it's free. I won't charge anyone. This is just for me. It's just my channel, so that I journal. This is my journal actually. So I chose to journal on Telegram. So this is what the market ended up doing. It went to that. It fell short of these relative equal highs on the daily time frame. If you remember, if you go on the daily time frame, let me just sway fast. It fell, just a little bit short of these relative equal highs. You see, this is the market. It fell short of these relative equal highs, but it took out this high. It almost took out this. Maybe it did. Let me see. What's the high on this candle? Look at here. The high on this candle is 344. And what's the high on this candle? 333. Yeah, just a little bit. Fell short a little bit. Yeah, just fell short a little bit. But yeah, that's how I saw the trade. That's how I was looking at it. That's how I was looking at it, like from the entry, what I was seeing. And it was a classic one, guys. It was a classic one. It was a classic one. and it was within the London Q zone, so it was perfect. It was perfect. It was within the London Q zone. Template, London Q zone, very perfect. This was the London Q zone, and and then into the that was very perfect. So if someone could have held maybe just for these highs, for these relative equal highs, you could have taken like another extra 3 pips to 27 pips, and then from here, that was 50 pips, 1:5 ARA. So for me, it's like actually not shocking. It's actually not shocking like the moves price were like able to put today, because I've figured out, like, before the big news, like before the FMOC or the CPI, people will be waiting to trade those days because they think volatility, they are going to get rich quick. But actually, I've seen it's like the opposite in the forex markets. On such days, 2-3 days before those big event news, the market moves like for real, like it moves a lot of pips. Like you can see, for, let's say, for example, for the SP 500, SP 500. You see, guys, the market was able to make like a move of 100. Move of like, I measured this. It was a move of 100, 100 points. 100 points, guys, 100 points. And it's not even a news event. So usually that's what the market does. That's what I have seen. That's the trend I've seen. So I've seen that like the market makes a big moves today, tomorrow. There will be like big ranging moves, big ranging days, big time, like more chances to get some pips. But then when the big news events come, there's a lot of manipulation. For me in forex, I've never seen like perfect shares. I just see choppiness, and so like it's very very choppy. So yeah, that's what I was looking at. So maybe this is just going to be clearer if you look at my video, the previous video I posted yesterday on the bias. Everything is going to be clear because I explained everything, what I was explaining, so that like this just doesn't just look like I'm cherry picking hindsight. And I've already showed you like my Telegram channel. If you want to join, like this is my Telegram channel. These are my entries like for the past days, for the past 2 months. This is what I've like, these entries and stuff. So I post here for free. Everything's for free. This is my bias. Just everything is for free until like yesterday. Then everything was just for free. Yeah, so that's it. I won't go deep into GBPUSD. They actually behaved almost the same way, but GBPUSD was lagging. So I told my guys, if you missed an entry, because when GBPUSD was here, Euro it already closed. It already closed this gap. So I was telling my guys, like, you can use the market coalition to enter into the fair value gap in the 1 minute, because I was looking at the 5-minute chart and the market was somewhere around here. So I told them, like, on the 1 minute, maybe we may find a fair value gap. Let me just go to the 1 minute, because they're always fair value is here. Then on the 1 minute there's a fair value gap, and I had already outlined it in my channel. So this is the round pips, stop loss at 8 pips, 3:4, roughly 3:4. If you had hold it to this, maybe it was even going to be something more. Yeah, 1:5. Yeah, 1:5. That's something going well, and I'm glad because I have found my click, and I have found my strategy. I don't need someone's people's opinion with my entries, and I'm also good at like identifying order blocks. So I'm really glad with what happened. ESD chart, DXY dollar index chart. So I also outlined, this movement. I also outlined this fair value gap. Once again, if you watch my video I made yesterday, I outlined this fair value gap. I outlined this order block. I was like explaining that the market is supposed to go down, supposed to break below this order block, and attack these and attack these. attack this and attack this. You know. So it's actually managed to do so. So it went below, but it's respected this 1 week fair value gap, and this is like the Asian session. We'll just see today what's happening. Maybe we'll find out the low of the day, the market retraces, or the market just keeps going down. We just have to be nimble, guys. Yeah, I think basically that's it. I won't be touching SP500 because I didn't make the videos for it. And right now, because of this DeepSeek AI, I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe the market is just going to drop. It's been quite crazy on these markets. Actually, it's been quite crazy. So this was the drop, and then a big week after taking out these eyes, and this is yes 100. Yeah, that's it, guys. So that's it, guys. I promise you, whenever I took the trends, whenever like I look at the market, just doing market analysis, or just market into drills, I'll just market into drills. I'll just be posting on YouTube. So like, watch, and subscribe. Join my Telegram channel. If you have funds to invest, you can use my signals. I do really trust them. For me, the reason why I don't have a new account is because now I'm working towards raising money to buy a funded account. I'm supposed to buy it in February. That's what I want. So maybe this holiday, stay in touch, guys. Like and subscribe. Yeah.